Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I thought I'd quickly show you how I do my gel polish. Really sorry about the quality of this video. I decided to film at night stupidly, I know, but I really do hope that you enjoy this video. So to start off, I'm just going to remove my nail varnish and cuticles. Now I'm going to go in with a white block and buff the nails. This is going to remove any shine from the nail. Now I'm going to use a lint-free wipe with some nail prep. This is just a cheap one that I found on Amazon, but usually I use the Miley one. Now I'm going to apply the Miley base coat, and I'm going to apply that everywhere but not the thumb. We'll come back to that later. Now it's time to cure the nails. Now I'm going to apply the shade Brighten Up. After each thin layer of gel, don't forget to cure your nails in between. Now it's time for the second coat. Now I'm going in with the shade Seashells, and this gives it like a pearlescent finish. And now it's time to apply the top coat. Now I'm going to use a lint-free wipe and the Cleanse Plus. This just removes all the sticky layer from the nail and adds a bit of shine. Now we're going to repeat the process, but this time we're doing it to the thumb. The reason why we leave our thumb till last is because when we put our hands in at the same time as our thumb, it doesn't properly cure the thumb. So that's why it's important to always do your thumb last. I know. Now I'm going in with some cuticle oil and some hand cream. These are both from the Body Shop. If you enjoyed that video and like to see more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. And here's just a little picture to show you what they look like after.